Oppo has launched its new budget-friendly phone under A series in China called Oppo A6c. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The new Oppo A6c features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1125 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 685 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Oppo A6c sports a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,500 mAh battery, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.61 by 78.51 by 8.61mm, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A6c has been priced in China at 799 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in orchid purple and olive green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A6c smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.